It's a travel diary. We're in Martha's Vineyard. Who is Martha, and why does she have a vineyard? Do they grow grapes? Are we going wine tasting? Here's the tea. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christiana, and today we are in Martha's Vineyard. I'm gonna be here for 4 days with my family, so check it out. I'm ready. Mom, where are we going to dinner? We're heading to dinner now in Edgartown to a place called Alchemy. I don't know what kind of food it is, but it sounds good. History lessons with Mom.
We're on Martha's Vineyard, also called Noepi by the natives who inhabited this island first.
Okay.
And it's a short ferry ride from Falmouth, Cape Cod, Chappaquiddick. Used to be connected until 2007. Storms and hurricanes,
Broke it off.
Broke it off. Now you have to get there by ferry.
Relaxation. Vacation.
Well, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than the ones you did.
So we're back in the car. We just had lunch at the news place. It was good. It was good Caesar salad, but inside they sat us really close to this other table with a ton of small children, and so we moved over. That was fine. We're in Edgartown. Boop. And tonight we're going boop
To Aquina, great restaurant called Outermost. It's owned by James Taylor's brother. So, heard the food was great.
It almost looks like we're just pulling up to someone's house for dinner. It seems really, really cute. Oh, I'll show you guys. There's some Adirondacks chairs. Supposedly the food is really good. Very excited. What is this?
Thank you. Remember
Thank you.
which is
Oh my gosh, that's so
What is that? Ooh.
concentrated broth, and then the filling of the dumplings is a little like tomato and cream, and I like that ginger beer.
Okay. This has got to be fun.
Homemade potato rolls with shallot and what butter?
Am I allowed to eat it yet, or what?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Goat cheese.
Are we still working?
Boop-a-doo, boop-a-doo-boop-a-doo. You got the duck.
My potatoes.
Why are you upset about your potatoes?
I think they have a lot of potatoes.
Oh wow.
Asuka, I guess
Look
I
at
don't need
that
sugar.
cheese.
I don't need any sugar with
A lot of us have this ice cream.
This looks
blueberry tart. The
The blueberry, yeah.
I like that big layer of gelée.
Mush. Relaxing. We went to the South End public beach. So much fun, but a seagull attacked me. I pulled out my sandwich and he literally zoomed from right behind my back and literally grabbed half the sandwich off of my lap. It was absolutely terrifying. So if you go to that beach, just know the seagulls are like next level crazy. We had a great relaxing day, and we're going to the last dinner tonight at Atria in Edgartown. Atria? I don't know. It looks really good. I'm eyeing a chicken on the menu. But right now I am really into mixing gold and silver. I think it just looks really eclectic and nice. I always thought like you had to like either stick to all gold accessories or all silver accessories, but no, just mix it up. I think it looks good. Also, this mascara, it's their Real one from Benefit in Holy Toledo. I mean, look at that. Amazing. I'm gonna link that below. Capture this. So my mom accidentally put makeup on her toothbrush, and we begged the question, do you use makeup to brush your teeth? The answer is no, but I'm not quite sure what her thought process was when she put makeup on the toothbrush.
Oh my God, what an idiot!
Shut up. That is just really funny. You have anything to say for yourself? Oh, you have.
It was an accident. I was thinking of other things. And my mind
Was it
wrong
other
shoe.
things or a glass of Pinot Grigio?
That could have been.
It was the back door.
That is the glass of Pinot Grigio.
Thank you.
The back door.
Oh my God! Stop.
It's not a vlog coming.
Yeah. Do you guys do this before you go to a restaurant? Do you look up the menu online and pick what you're gonna eat before you get to the restaurant, and then they give you the whole like specials of the day, and then it totally throws off your plans, and then you. Okay, well, I definitely do that.
I don't.
That's my brother. Let me know in the comments below if you look at the menu before you get to the restaurant and already know what you're gonna have. Are you that crazy person like me?
What are these?
We're looking right for some.
Oh, this is different. Isn't that cute? Please inform your server if you have a few extra hoops or whatever. That's really funny. They're funny here.
They are very funny.
Maybe that's why he was
Unsupervised children were given double espresso and a pony. Peach salad. Dennis got the, what's in here? Gorgonzola blueberry?
Yep.
Guys, don't
Yummy.
judge me. I literally spelled half my dress.
Where? On the table. Did they give you another one?
You want it?
Oh, right here. Yeah.
Oh my
Is this real?
Oh no. No, it's not.
Wow.
Oh my god. Holy Toledo. Truffle fries. Portobello Road. Portobello Road. That's in England, right? What's inside?
Look inside.
Okay, what'd you get? Okay, you got a
Beautiful
bag.
bag.
And you
A
got
book on.
my brother. They're going to Grace. And that's pretty cool. It's very on brand. Cool. This is a frozen Arnold Palmer from McPhail's. Oh my gosh. Highly recommend. Highly. What was your favorite part about the trip?
Having my children with me.
That's it?
As crazy as they are.
And you
And
tried
relaxing.
you tried your first oyster.
Had my first oyster. It was pretty good. The raw and they were delicate, sweet, little, and then the grilled because they were saucy and they were garlicky and they were crunchy.
Okay.
Everything I like.
We gotta get some fudge for boyfriend Steven, dear. Ooh, they got popcorn too. There's no definitive source of Martha's Vineyard, but it is thought to be named for the mother-in-law or daughter, both named Martha, of the English explorer Bartholomew Gosnold, who led the first recorded European expedition to Cape Cod in 1602. That was a long time ago. And a little fun fact is, this is one of 5 locations in the United States with an apostrophe.
Possessive.
Sorry, this is 1 in 5 locations in...
1 in 5. One of only 5.
Fun fact, this is one of only 5 locations. So that is the end of my first travel diary. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, I am back home with the poof. And I love my family so much, and I just want to thank them for allowing me to film our trip. And it's great, now we have these memories forever. I really appreciate you guys. I love you to bits, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.